Hi guys, this is Sapna Agarwal here. I am a marathon runner, a fitness enthusiast, and I coach people on adopting a healthier lifestyle through mindset building, through habit building, and through food and nutrition. Today I am here to talk about the importance of workout, fitness, and movement in our lives. If you go back and see your forefathers or ancestors, you will observe that they were always on the move. Primarily because human body is designed to move, and also with the advent of technology and inventions, you will see that machines have taken major part of our work, and we move machines more and we move ourselves less. So why is movement or workout or fitness important? It is because when we move more, we have better blood circulation in our body. The trillions of cells in our body need oxygen and blood to function and to do the internal work which it does, which we don't know, which we can't see. So when you move more, your body has better circulation of blood, it has better oxygen availability for the cells to do their work. And also when you move more, when you do some kind of workout, the body releases a lot of hormones like endorphins and dopamine, which make you feel good about what you are doing, about going back to the workout again. So these are internal things which happen when you work out or when you move more or when you are active throughout the day. It is very important that you understand that movement, activity, workout, fitness is not something like doing a 1 hour of workout and staying like a couch potato the whole day. So it's important that if you cannot get in a workout, you move more, you be active throughout the day. And any kind of workout should not be something which you cannot go back again to. So it's very important that you incorporate simple movements in your life, which you can consistently build it up, and then you can design a workout for yourself. So if you cannot run a 10 kilometer or a marathon, you can easily go down and get a walk in the nature, absorb some vitamin D from the sun and enjoy the nature around. So this 15-20 minutes of walking, if you start doing daily, you will see that gradually you can improve your endurance, you can improve the stamina, you can improve your strength to continue doing workout with a better intensity. Like incorporating small movements like scale down version of a push-up or 5-6 squats or lunges, which are like your own body weight is enough for you to incorporate some movements which are easy and not difficult. The problem happens when we always start seeing that we have to be perfect in that something. There is no such thing as perfection, it's only progress. If you keep doing small movements, simple workout every day and then build it up, you will see that how far you have come when you look back from where you had started. So any day is a good day to start, any workout is a good workout to begin with. The only thing is consistency and discipline in keeping doing that over and over again. And when you start doing something, when you start enjoying workout, when you feel that you are doing something, you feel certain pride about what you are doing, you feel a sense of self-worth that you are doing it for your own body, for your life, and somehow you kind of set an example for people around to imbibe things which you are doing for yourself. So this is about how you can incorporate simple easy movements in life. It is very easy to understand that going for a walk is very simple thing. When you are taking lift, you can go by stairs and get in those steps. These are small things which you can do anytime. The only thing is that you have to be mindful about incorporating that in your life. The third most important thing which I want to say is how fitness is one aspect of being healthy, and another aspect is staying put on diet. I will not use the word diet because it is about healthy eating. So we all want to enjoy food, we all like eating good food, but there is the importance of balance in enjoying something in moderation and indulging in something without knowing your limits. So it's good to have the food which you like to eat, but also be mindful about your goals, where your health goals are, and how you can incorporate healthy eating in your lifestyle to support your goals. So you might wish to have a certain kind of body or a certain strength, but that wishing is only one thing if you are not putting action by taking care of what you are eating. So it is important to choose food which the nature gives, like fruits and vegetables, and also nuts and seeds, all the pulses, dals, legumes, and also whole. I would emphasize on using whole food. The less food we have as processed food, the better it is for our gut health. So choose things from nature which are available to us, and also things which are seasonal things are important. Why? Because if you are using stuff which are not available, which are available throughout the year, it means they are preserved in a way where they can stay fresh for longer, which is not natural. So use things which are seasonal, like fruits and vegetables which are seasonal, and also whole grains. It's important to choose things which are as less processed as possible, and this way you can in your meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner, if you start incorporating a lot of green plants as also vegetables, so when you look around in your plate, you feel that there is a rainbow, a lot of colors. So it's the importance of fiber is very important to introduce as many plants, as many fruits and vegetables in your diet as you can, and this can help you take your fitness journey ahead. After this, I would like to talk about also how important it is to wear the right kind of clothes when you are working out. It is important that you choose clothes in which you are comfortable, in which your skin is able to breathe better, and you are able to perform the movements the way they are originally designed. Just because you are wearing a certain outfit, it should not be like that you are kind of tailoring your movements to suit the kind of clothes you are wearing. It is important that the dress or any kind of costume or the workout gear which you are wearing makes you feel that you are able to breathe better, to perform your movements with all kinds of comfort you want. When you work out, you sweat a lot, so the material of the workout wear should be like you are able to it should be dry fit basically, so that it can absorb your sweat and you don't feel heavy by the end of the workout. This is the importance of there's a whole thing, the importance of movement, the importance of workout, the importance of understanding how movements can be very simple and they are easily incorporatable in your lifestyle, and the role nutrition plays in maintaining a good lifestyle. Like if you want to perform certain movement, it's not only about performing the movement, how you are feeding yourself, which is the fuel for your workout. It is also very important that you understand the right food, right fuel can help you go longer than your body can allow. There is a limit to which your body can allow, but if you start using the right kind of stuff to fuel your workouts, you can go further in this journey. As also the importance of wearing the right clothing. So I hope this video makes sense and you are able to take away something from it, and hope to see you all fit, moving more, and also staying at peace and being with yourself more, because that is also very important. The importance of mental health, how you feel within yourself. After doing everything, if you don't feel great about yourself, this is something which you need to look into also. So wear a beautiful smile because it radiates a lot, and happy life, happy fitness. Thank you guys.